Hello friends, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. Today I am completely reorganizing and rearranging our bedroom. I woke up with some anxiety today and I was just not feeling okay. It actually kind of gave me a headache, but I'm just now kind of feeling a little uneasy, or at least I was. I'm feeling a bit better now, but I was just sitting in the room and I was just like, something's not right, something's not okay. I just don't feel comfortable in here right now. So one thing led to another. I started cleaning and then I just started rearranging, and my bed is like currently diagonal, which it's not gonna stay this way. I'm in the process of moving it, but I was like, wait, hold on, let me vlog. But I actually wanna show you how it's looking at the moment. My vanity's here, that looks a hot mess. I pushed this dresser over. I actually moved the full-length mirror that was in the living room. I moved it here. I don't know if it's gonna stay there, but I'm currently moving my bed forward so it can be along the wall. So it's a lot. So let's get to that. But of course, before I begin, if you guys want to be friends outside of YouTube, all of my links will be in this corner and in the description box as well. So with that being said, let's get to it. My homes, they got you. Okay, so I'm actually really liking the way the bed looks in front of the window like this. I like the symmetry. Okay, it just got really dark. But now it's just to see whether or not my jumbo tall dresser fits in that corner there. If not, maybe like my vanity somewhere over there. I do have to like consider this shelf, which the projector faces that wall. Don't know how I'm gonna work through that, but we shall see. But I am really liking it like this. You ain't my man, boy. I'm just trying to dance, boy. Okay, so I ended up having to move the bed because being in front of the window, it just blocked too much of the room, so, or at least it took up too much space. So I put it against the wall, which I'm still pretty like, I'm rocking with it. I'm not used to it being on that side, so that'll be a cool little change. And then this corner here, so I just moved the vanity over here. It was actually over on this side of the wall and I just moved it down a little bit, but I like it. I actually really like it here, and I have a good amount of space here still. Once we put a chair here, we'll still be able to like walk freely. Sorry, the floor is kind of disgusting. I don't really want to show that, but I like it. I'm really liking it. As of right now, I just have an ottoman, but I really want to get an actual office chair. And I do like the fact that the shelf is like above the desk. I know it's not like aligned, but that actually is pretty dope to me. Don't ask me why, I just kind of like it. But yeah, that's where we're at so far. The rest of the room is still a lot to work through, but I'm gonna take a little break because I actually just got an email. So if you guys remember from yesterday's vlog, I mentioned that I wanted to order this electric kettle off of Amazon. I ordered it and it's here, so I'm about to go and get that because hello, don't want no one stealing that. You guys, it's here. Okay, time to open it. I know I was in the middle of doing something, but that can wait right now. By the way, I specifically ordered the Kasori original electric glass kettle. This is it in the packaging, but I'm gonna get it set up real quick because I don't think it should be that difficult. But who knows, watch I say that and this takes an hour. So here we have the actual kettle itself. I don't want to drop it, so we're gonna be very careful. Actually, let me rinse this out real quick for obvious reasons. Okay, I literally just plugged it in and I got it set up and it's already starting to boil. It is kind of bulkier than the other one, so I don't know how I'm gonna like get everything on here nice and not super cluttery. But yeah, yee! That's pretty sick. Okay, so this is what I ended up with and I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. My camera's about to die. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this was not here. I actually had my vanity here, but I moved this dresser over on this wall, and I actually really like it over here. I like the fact that this wall is blank, but I actually kind of want to put some like decor, something to match the aesthetic, because we're going for like a black and gray with like a pop of green aesthetic, but definitely thinking about putting some decor here. I'm also gonna try to keep this like as clean as possible. Obviously I'm gonna have to like store my jewelry somehow, and Lewis's like watches and things like that, so you know, we can't have everything super duper clear, but this is okay for the most part. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Like, I don't know if I like this here. I might want to paint that chair. I might consider painting that chair. I am not entirely sure, but this plant, like, I don't know why, I don't know if I like it there. Kind of indifferent. But the shelf is gonna stay there. I'm just gonna have to deal with that. And I just kind of add a little bit of Christmas decor up there. And then I just moved the vanity. It was over here, moved it over here, and I actually like it in this little corner. I kind of want to get a desk chair here and actually have this as like a desk area slash vanity, and not really like have it super duper messy all the time, because sometimes it can get kind of messy and I don't want to work on here. But I want to be able to like have my laptop on here and like sit here and work, you know, if I want to work here. And then the mirror is not supposed to be here. I just moved it here to take some pictures today. But the bed, okay. I like it on this wall. I did not think I would, but I actually really do. We might run into some issues with this curtain, but I'm thinking like just clipping it up and like doing that. But yes, not much to say. I really wanted it in the middle, but it did take up a lot of space, and I like it here because there's a lot more space, you know? I definitely feel like we have a lot more walking space to move around, even though the floor's squeaky as hell. This dresser's still here. I didn't really move it, but that's kind of cluttered, so we won't look at that. I like it. I feel like I'm in a whole different room. This just kind of eased my anxiety a lot. But oh, we got the LED lights. I completely forgot about those. I kind of want to put more decor up like on the walls, but at the same time I kind of like the walls looking clear like that, but I don't know. And then this is what it looks like during the day. Just kind of want to give you a quick little overview. I cleaned up the top of that dresser, but I love it. I actually really like how convenient everything is. Everything's nice and spaced out. I really think it was like best that we didn't put the bed in the middle right here. It would just feel really crammed in here. This feels a lot more spacious. We obviously have a lot more walk space, but also it just feels a lot like, I don't know, like we can breathe, you know? Like, it doesn't feel super duper congested in here like it did before, which I love. So I don't know how long we'll keep it like this, but I do think we'll keep it for a while. And the mirror that I had here, I'm actually gonna put it back. I keep moving it back and forth, but I'm really debating on getting two, actually it's right here, but I'm thinking about getting two full-sized mirrors like this. This one was gray. I have to finish painting it, but I'm painting it black. But I kind of want to get another one obviously to put here, and then maybe put this one back in the living room because that's where it was. But we have this mirror here, and don't get me wrong, like it's a nice mirror, but when we want to look at like our full outfit, or if I want to take like mirror pictures, I kind of can't here because it's so boxed off. Whereas like with a full-length mirror, you can get the full outfit, obviously like this. Sorry if I keep spinning you around, but yeah, the lighting on this side is just horrible. So if we had like door mirrors or mirrored doors, whatever you want to call them, I think the lighting would look so look at this, like you can't even see. But yeah, I just wanted to share my room with you guys because this space means a lot to me, and I feel like it's important that we take the time to, like, you know, invest in our space, invest in the spaces that make us feel comfortable and make us feel like, you know, our most creative selves, or whatever the case is, or make us feel safe. So yeah, so that is it for this video, friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this random rearrange my room with me / bedroom tour. Again, today is day 2 for Vlogmas, so hopefully I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, make your choices. Bye.